Hi, I'm Baldy. Welcome to my learning school. Today we're going to learn about fireworks. Fireworks are dangerous. Please do not use fireworks without an adult present and follow your local and state laws. Remember, kids should never light fireworks. Have fun!
You're watching ScoobyBot TV.
Here we got the pooping dog. See what it does. That's a pooping dog. What do you think?
I thought he just happened to be coming.
I don't know.
The pooping dog.
Oh, the pooping dog! I didn't realize that. Look at me! Everybody, look at me!
Alright, go get it from him.
Everybody, look at me! Everybody,
You gotta fly.
What are you doing?
I got it.
Really? JoJo drink.
Why am I awake? This is like the
What's up, Odd Job? What are you doing?
Is nice down here? Doesn't he? What?
Yeah, I guess so.
I've been recording this whole time. I didn't know that.
Pretty parents. So Joey looks like she made up dances. Your boss with the baby.
Big Bob, watch this. Big Bob, movie!
Go point toward the street.
Oh, it's okay.
JoJo. JoJo. JoJo, come here. There you go. Run towards Uncle. What's up?
I'm gonna be writing down my driveway with this and every vehicle we have, and I'm gonna go down in 3, 2, 1.
Think of how we've done so far. You think your vehicle's held up well? Yeah, you've seen better performance. All right, well, good work.
Okay, what are you riding now, Scooby?
I'm the champion, so I'm riding my rocket.
All right.
Secret, what?
Right, Rocket Man, let's go.
Okay. I've gotten scared, but I done it. Ah!
Oh, God.
That's not quite what we were thinking, Rocket. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Three, two.
Vehicle.
I rated it 8.
8 out of 10. All right, next vehicle.
3, 2, 1.
What would you rate?
I give that a 1.
A 1 for that vehicle?
A 7. And I'm gonna go down in 3, 2, 1.
Scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate this vehicle?
I didn't go by any.
I want some more. I want some more too.
All right, doing poppers, little snapdragons. Okay.
Max, you have a cupcake all over your face. I was wondering what that.
What are you gonna do, buddy?
It's a cupcake, Adam.
All right, loading of this stuff. Pretty fun, isn't it, JoJo?
No, no, guys.
Bronco.
What you think? What do you think? Don't steal the sparklers out of my pocket. What are you doing? What's that one like?